All right, guys, tonight's homework help. Just looking at the first page for geometry. Question one, again, you have a trapezoid. You're finding the bases are 30 and 40 and the height is 24. So to get you started, you have to remember that your formula is area equals base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So you might need some extra room on another sheet of paper to write these out. So they give you the two bases are 30 inches and 40 inches. So you're going to have to add 30 plus 40. And once you add that, you get 70. Your height is 24. You'll have to divide it by 2. So once you get your 70, you're going to have to multiply that by 24 and divide by 2. So remember circling your terms. I got you that far, so I think, and don't forget to label since you're using inches. Next shape, we have a storage trunk, it says. So if you've seen this in science class, it's just a prism here. So you have to do length times width times height. Don't forget to label. Question 3 here, we have a school building. Same thing, it's a rectangular prism, but it's only telling you the width is 115, the height and the length. So again, plug those in, length times width times height. Next, you have a triangular prism. We're not going to cover that. So if you do watch this, I'm not going to let you try that one. So we'll just eliminate that. So appreciate you for logging on. Coming down here to the next 4. Similar to our test question, you have two shapes. So you have to find the area of the triangle, and you have to find the area of the rectangle. So you know we've done base times height for our rectangle. And then if the height here is 4 for your triangle and it looks like the base is 10, how they match up. So you remember you have to do base times your height divided by 2. And then you have to add those two together. So add, if you remember from our test, we called one shape 1, one shape 2. Make sure you add those together to get your total area. Next one, you got a parallelogram. Has an area of 49.5 feet and a base of 8.25 or 8.25. Find the height. So set it up that base times height equals your area, or area equals base times height. So here they tell you that your base, I'll write as a decimal, 8.25 times h, we don't know what the height is, equals 49.5. So in order to get h, you're going to have to divide each by 8.25. Now it's kind of a tricky one. Make sure you label once you figure that out. We'll get rid of question 8, another triangular prism. Next, you have a triangular banner. They give you the base, they give you the height. So remember again, your formula is area equals base times height divided by 2. So hopefully those formulas got you going. Just always remember to label and check in tomorrow for the next video on the equations.